Alaikum. Myself Afshan Fatima. Welcome to today's panel discussion on protecting the haya of girls. Haya or modesty is a vital aspect of our identities and values. Now, I would like to call my friends panelist Sara Begum, Mehjabeen, Asra Tabassum, Hina Kausar. Let's start with the first question. Why is haya important in today's society?
Haya is the foundation of dignity. In today's world, where exposure and boldness are often celebrated, modesty becomes even more important to preserve self respect and societal morals. It protects our individuality and maintains a healthy balance in relationships.
I agree. Haya is not just about appearance but also about behavior and interactions. It ensures mutual respect between genders and prevents the objectification of women.
How can families help in preserving haya in girls?
Families play the most crucial role. Parents should educate their daughters about the importance of self respect and modesty from a young age. At the same time, they should model these values in their own lives. A supportive and open family environment encourages girls to value themselves.
Adding to that, parents should strike a balance between guidance and trust. Over restricting girls can make them rebel, while leaving them unguidance might expose to harmful influences. Families should teach haya as a strength, not a burden.
What role does media play in shaping or harming the concept of haya?
Media has a massive impact. Unfortunately, today's media often glamorizes lifestyles that conflict with modesty. Social media, in particular, encourages validation through appearance, likes, and followers, which can lead to unhealthy comparison and loss of self worth.
However, media can also be a tool for good. By promoting empowering content that aligns with cultural and moral values, it can help reinforce haya rather than undermine it. Awareness campaigns, documentaries, and role models can inspire girls to prioritize modesty in all aspects of life.
How do Islamic teachings promote haya for girls and boys?
Islam beautifully highlights haya for both genders. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Haya is a part of faith. Islam teaches women to guard their modesty in speech, clothing, and action, but it equally emphasizes modesty for men. For instance, lowering the gaze is advised for both genders to maintain respect and purity.
Yes, and Islam does not portray haya as restricting or suppressing. Instead, it empowers us to protect our value and honor. The concept isn't about controlling women, but creating a balanced and respectful society for everyone.
What practical steps can schools and communities take to promote haya?
Schools should introduce character building programs that emphasize modesty, respect, and self awareness. Workshops and seminars can also engage both boys and girls to understand Haya's importance.
Teachers should work as role models. Instead, communities can organize events that celebrate cultural and religious values around modesty. Moreover, girls can share concerns openly without fear of judgment are essential.
We should also use social media as a platform for promoting modesty. Creating relatable and inspiring content can influence youth in a positive direction. Lastly, building a strong connection with faith and understanding its teaching can guide girls to naturally embrace Haya. Community centers and mosques should offer youth-friendly programs to reinforce these values.
Thank you all for these insightful points. Haya is indeed an essential aspect of our identity, and it's everyone's responsibility families, schools, communities, and media to protect and promote it. Let's carry forward these values with pride and wisdom.